Hello everybody, it's Silicon, and today we're gonna talk about how to update your whole system at once. And when I say system, I don't mean Windows, but I rather mean your apps, softwares, installed softwares and apps. But our today's method is not updating systems one by one. It's rather updating all of them at once using a special command prompt that I'm going to show you, and it's called Winget Upgrade. Now, to access this kind of prompt, to access this ability, to access Winget, what you're gonna do is you open command prompt, and of course, as an admin, CMD, of course, you have to choose admin to have the admin privileges. And sorry about that. What you're gonna do is you click yes. And what you're gonna do is you just type your prompt, Winget Upgrade. You will wait for some few seconds for it to do its abracadabra thing. And by the way, sorry for my audio is a little bit off, sorry about it. You will forgive me about it. And now, as you can see, these are all of softwares in my PC that require updating. And sorry, by the way, these are just for show and for class purposes and stuff, so don't worry about it. So as you can see, they all need updates. As you can see, this one, my IDM was last updated a very long time ago. Our next step 2, is you redo the prompt, but with a little bit of spice. Winget Upgrade space dash all. Then as you can see, it's going to update all of my softwares at once. No need of going and updating one software at a time. That's old fashioned, my guy. Old fashioned, man. Yeah. So you'll have to wait for sometimes, depending with how fast your internet is, for the machine to update all of your softwares. Thank you. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.